are some compact crossovers that wow us with their handling capabilities, like the Mazda CX-5. Then we like the Jeep Cherokee because it's great off-road, and the Nissan Rogue for the excellent Pro Pilot system. This 2019 Chevy Equinox is none of those things, but that doesn't mean it's not a good choice for you and your family, as long as you don't mind a jack of all trades and a master of none. Now, that's not to say that the Equinox is just an appliance, because it does have a few tricks up its sleeve, namely in engine options. You can get a 1.5-liter turbo engine, you can get a 1.6-liter diesel, but here I'm rocking a 2-liter turbo mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and it's putting out 252 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. But here's the thing, after my initial drive, I sat down to take some notes and I didn't really know what to write down. I mean, nothing really stood out. It was smooth enough over broken pavement, it was quick enough so I wasn't left in the dust at lights, and the transmission kind of stayed out of its own way. Nothing was completely offensive, but nothing really impressed me either. However, where I was surprised was when I got this thing out into the twisties. I mean, yeah, it's no Mazda CX-5. It downshifts a little bit too slowly for that. But what I really like is that body roll is kept in check, and the steering, the faster you go and the more inputs you put in, it gets heavier and heavier. And Lord knows I like a really nice, heavy steering to really make you feel connected to the road. The EPA gives the Equinox a combined fuel rating of 24 miles per gallon, which is kind of on the low end of the class, and it's made even worse by the fact that during my time with it, my real world average was closer to 21. And what's the one stupid thing that I hate about the Equinox? Well, I control the all-wheel drive system. Now, normally, I like to be in control of things in a vehicle, right? But here, let's say it's raining and I need to throw some power to those rear wheels for traction. A computer's gonna be able to do that a lot faster than my finger pressing a button. The Chevy MyLink Infotainment System is housed on an 8-inch touchscreen. Now, I've got a full review of that in a separate video, so be sure to check it out. But for now, I will just say that it is very simple and very easy to use. Where the Equinox suffers the most is in feature availability and in the interior. Now, you can get some great features. There's adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. You can even get ventilated front seats, which is pretty rare for this class, but you're gonna have to pay for them. I really like that I've got these little flippy levers that fold the rear seats, revealing the nearly 70 cubic feet of space that I've got back there. But the materials inside are kind of subpar. There's a lot of hard plastics, and all in all, the design just looks kind of dated. The base model of the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox starts low, like under $24,000 low, but that is a special order only. If you want to drive one off the lot, you'll probably want to look at a mid-LT trim here like our tester. Starts at about $31,000, but this guy's got a few bells and whistles, so we're looking at closer to $36,500 smackaroos.